welcome to VIT-AP's 100 Days of Coding Challenge. Today is day 14 and let's see the question number 1. The question is, write a Java program to calculate the factorial of a number using a do-while loop. So, do-while is another loop in Java, so using which we can do certain iteration and perform some operations. Here we need to find the factorial of a number using this loop. So, let us first see what is do-while loop. So do-while is a loop. Here the do mentions that we need to do a certain task. So, the syntax is do. So, we will write the task here, whatever the task is, while, and here we will check what is the condition. So, we will keep on doing the task while the condition he written here will be true. So, how can we use this do while loop in this question used to find the factorial? So, what we can do is we will take a number some 1 or so. What is the factorial of a number? So, factorial of a number is nothing but in mathematical terms it is the multiplication, it is the product of all the numbers from 1 till the number or integer n. So, this is the meaning of factorial. So, here the number needs to be a positive and non-negative. So, we will first check if a number is positive or not. If positive, we will perform the next steps, and factorial of 0. So, the symbol for factorial is this exclamation mark. So, 0 factorial is 1. So, this is on the next condition we are going to see if the number, the input given is 0 or not. If it is 0, then we will directly output the number 1. If it is any other number other than 0 and it is positive, then we have to iterate through each number. So, we will take some variable factorial. So, let it be fact, and we will update this factorial. So, we will multiply this fact again and again. So, here there must be some variable which keeps on changing. So, let me take it as I. So, in each iteration I will increase the I till the number n. So, while I is less than or equal to n, I will keep on multiplying this into fact, I into fact. So, this is the basic key points we need to remember while performing this code. So, let us see how to do this in Java. So, let me create the file factorial.java. So, now I will write the main method. So, here I have to take the input from the user. So, I am creating an object. So, now let me name the variable as n. So, this will be given by the user. So, it will be next int. Now, I will create a variable to store the factorial. So, long factorial. So, let us initialize this with 1, because later we are going to multiply this factorial again and again. So, it needs to be initialized. So, now what we have to do? So, let me even declare the variable I, and let us initialize this also to 1. So, now it is time to write the do while loop. So, do, and here we have while and condition. So, what is the condition? While I is less than or equal to n, what we need to perform? So, do. So, what we have to do? We have to multiply this factorial with I, and we have to update it with factorial again, and in each iteration after this step is performed, we need to increase this I. So, we will do I plus plus, and finally, we will print the factorial, factorial, and I will print the factorial variable. So, that is it. So, this is the code, and finally, we will close the object. So, let us see if this is working or not. So, let me run the file. First of all, javac and factorial.java. The code, okay, here we need to even give this semicolon. Okay, now it should work. So let us compile the file now, and now run the file. So now I have to give the input. So what is 10 factorial? Let's find out. So let me give 10, and look at this, 3628800. So you can check out here why I have given this long. So you have seen such a big number has come as an output, right? Here, this is really long number, and if we give really big number, then the int cannot handle it alone. So that's why I have given the variable as long. That is the reason. So in this video you have learned how to find a factorial of a number using a do while loop. So that's it for this video. Do join the WhatsApp group to get more updates on the 100 days of coding challenge from VCode. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching.